What's up, guys? It's Jay Ray here. In this video, unfortunately, I got some pretty sad news. Time has come to say goodbye, and sometimes, in life, you got to say goodbye to things that you really love, even though it's hard to do. But it's time. I got to do it right now in this video, just to let you guys know. If you watch the whole video, you'll see what I'm talking about. Oh, guys, I've got good news and I got bad news. The good news is I got my coolant issue fixed by changing the radiator cap on my truck. Bad news is I'm sitting out here on the side of the highway because my transfer case busted and the drive shaft went through the floor. Let me show you a little bit of some of the damage that happened here when this occurred. So here's my four-wheel drive shifter. So it's supposed to be over here, but for some reason when this all happened it shot up like this and landed in this area. Also, the floorboard got destroyed right there. My transfer case is busted. If you look down in here, I'm not sure how well we can see it. See that stainless steel line right there? I'm not sure if that's a brake line or a transmission line or whatever, but it got crushed. There's a bunch of wires that got pulled off and cut. The fuel line got cut. Let me show you underneath the truck and get a better idea of what happened. So I'm doing this from the passenger side because I don't want to be too close to the highway. So you can see right here, there's a chain hanging down out of the transfer case. I'm trying to maneuver around so you can get a better view. So here's part of the fuel line and some wires and stuff that got busted. The drive shaft was sitting right there on the cross member. The side of the transfer case got busted off. Yeah, this all happened around 11:40 or 11:30 p.m. last night. So now I got somebody on the way with a trailer to try to load the truck up, but in order to make it work, I'm gonna have to untangle all these wires and fuel line that are still on the drive shaft and get that drive shaft pulled off, just so that we can get the truck to roll up onto a trailer. So I'm gonna get to work on that. I'm probably not gonna be able to record any of this, but I just wanted to show what happened with the truck now and what's going on. So I did call the insurance company last night and put in a claim to try to see if they had towing assistance, but I still haven't heard back from them. It also looks like the drive shaft itself got damaged there. See that big dent on the side of it? I didn't see that earlier. Yeah. So anyway, I haven't heard back from any towing companies, so we tried to call one ourselves last night, but they said it would be an hour wait before the guy could get there, and $660 in order to tow the truck 17 miles. We were just trying to get it to the next town so we could figure out a way to get it all the way to where we're going. But now I got my son on the way. He's getting a trailer from a friend, and we're going to load it up and see if we can get down the road, get to the town that we're trying to end up in. So yeah, this all happened last night. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video, but there's a big mark coming down the highway. That's probably because my fuel line got cut and it dumped the diesel fuel. So I gotta try to get that cleaned up, get my truck cleaned up, get the drive shaft out of there, so we can get this loaded up on the trailer and get to where we're going. Hopefully it won't be too long of a day, but I know we got at least probably 4 hours before my son can get here with the trailer. So I'm gonna try to get that drive shaft disconnected while I'm waiting. And then we got at least another 2.5 to 3 hours to try to get to the town that we're heading to. probably another part of my truck. Well, it took a lot longer than expected to get the truck on the trailer. My tires were too wide to fit between the fenders initially. We ended up having to take the spare off of my son's truck that he borrowed and put it on there. But we did finally get it to where we were going and took it to Phoenix Transmission in Weatherford. Well, one last look at her. The insurance company says they're going to total it. So this was a good truck. The Alpha X Nova headlights. Which I love. Just put those on a couple months ago, but now the insurance company says it's total because what happened to the transfer case, the drive line, everything. There's the Alpha X Deluxe series taillights. And of course I just put this bed cover on it. Stereo system, all that. You guys said they've been supporting me on this journey. I appreciate. But just want to let you know this will be probably the last time you see this truck on my channel. Overview right there. Guys, that was a pretty sad video to have to make. Transfer case ended up blowing up on my old truck, and that ended up damaging the floor, so ended up getting totaled by the insurance company. They just said the damage to the cab was too bad and the truck value wasn't worth them repairing it. Said the cost of repairs would be about 3 times what it was worth to actually fix the truck versus what the truck was worth itself. So unfortunately had to get rid of that truck. I do have a new truck that I bought. It's not brand new, but it's new to me. But I'll be showing you guys that truck in the future, and hope you stick around and try to see that video. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see new things coming up on my channel, please stick around and hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on future content coming from my channel. So guys, if you like t-shirts, hats, and other potential gifts that you might enjoy for different people in your family, car detailing products, and they've got other products on their website, you can get entered for a chance to win a truck, a trailer, and a skid steer at www.ownbosssupplyco.com, and that you can get a 10% off discount by using my code in the description below.